Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. Failure is only the opportunity more intelligently to begin again. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. When everything seemed to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. There are 3 things that grow more precious with age: old wood to burn, old books to read, and old friends to enjoy. If I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said faster horses. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. You say I started out with practically nothing, but that isn't correct. We all start with all there is. It's how we use it that makes things possible. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. I see no advantage in these new clocks. They run no faster than the ones made 100 years ago. There are 3 things that grow more precious with age: old wood to burn, old books to read, and old friends to enjoy. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. A business absolutely devoted to service will have only one worry about profits. They will be embarrassingly large. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. There is joy in work. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. Genius is seldom recognized for what it is: a great capacity for hard work. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. I cannot discover that anyone knows enough to say definitely what is and what is not possible. Money is like an arm or leg: use it or lose it. I am looking for a lot of men who have an infinite capacity to not know what can't be done. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success.